What's up YouTube? Hello guys, and I am back with another video. It's your girl Amaria, in case you don't know. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Tell me your favorite color down below, guys. How are you doing today? Okay? Listen. You saw that title. What is my top favorite side hustles to make some money other than Shiftsmart? Because I can make Shiftsmart videos all day, but that's not gonna make them put any jobs that we actually want. So this video is dedicated to the companies, the jobs, the apps that I like to do for a side hustle to get some extra cash, to get some cash in my pocket. Okay. If you haven't already, check out InstaWork. InstaWork is literally a gig app. It's just like gig what's it called? A gig smart? Gig I think it's gig smart or gig job or gig work. One of those. It starts with gig, y'all. And that's what you need to focus on. Find remote work gigs. App apps. Remote work gig apps. When you find remote work gig apps, you're able to find flexible jobs that will let you work from home, hopefully, because they do have also job options where you can actually go to the job for like physical job locations and stuff, and that's still good too. That's not a bad option. I do recommend doing that as well if you can, if there's no work from home options available for you within your area on with whatever app you're choosing to get on. So, like I said, the oh, Big Smart, that's what it's called. So, the first app I said is InstaWork. InstaWork, InstaWork. InstaWork is in the Apple Store and in the Google Play Store. And you should be able to go on, create your account, sign into whatever location that you want to use, and then it'll let you know anything that's available nearby, anything that pops up nearby. You should get a notification of that as well, as long as you are do input your information within the app. Another one that I did already mention is GigSmart. GigSmart is something that is really good because it used to not be as big, but it is a lot better when it comes to physical jobs. I haven't seen the work from home jobs on there, to be honest with y'all. So just keep that in mind. All right. There is companies that will hire like these agencies to temporarily place people to work for them. So like temp agencies. And get Shiftsmart is a temp agency as well, but like I said, they partner with certain people and they don't got a lot of options. So when it comes to other apps like InstaWork, GigSmart, or I think it's called GigSmart, y'all. Don't butcher me in the comments if I'm getting that name wrong. But I'm just here to help you get a little bit of information so you know what you're looking for. You know what to look for. If you are searching for different applications that will allow you to find work that is available in your area locally. Okay. When you are going to these apps, do not, if you don't see that it is like a verified app in the Play Store or in whatever wherever you're on, and you know that by if you looking at it, when you actually looking at it, make sure everything is spelled correctly, and make sure everything looks how it's supposed to look. You know what I'm saying? Don't download no app that's, you know, in a language you can't understand, because downloading that and then putting your information to that is crazy. Don't do that. You want to make sure that you are paying attention to these apps that you are using. That's why I'm giving you a couple of names. But like I said, if you find some resources that I haven't touched on, by any means, for sure, make sure that you are being mindful, but definitely don't miss that opportunity if you do find another remote work or another work gig, flexible work application. I forgot the actual like wording for that, but at the end of the day, when it comes to finding extra money or getting access to remote way or flexible ways to gain funds, baby, we're gonna figure it out how we're gonna figure it out, and we're gonna get there. Okay. So like I always say, y'all, as I'm learning, I'm gonna help you learn, and as you learn, you can help me learn too. I don't know everything. I don't have all the answers. But I can tell you what I know. I can tell you what I've done. I can tell you what I've tried and practiced. You know what I mean? So just that, I feel like, because that's how I work. I feel like once I kind of know like the gist of how somebody went about something, or the opportunities or the things that's there, I can use my own brain, my own context clues to be able to navigate with that. So that's what I'm here for, to just help you be able to navigate a little bit better than you have been doing, so that you can find the resources, because baby, everything we need we have access to. Everything we need we have access to. I don't care the dollar amount you need. I don't care the amount of time you think you need. Baby, everything we need we have access to. Okay? Same way you got access to this video. So if you haven't already, go ahead, tap, tap, tap that like button for me, guys, because I really appreciate it. I really appreciate everybody who has been here with me. I really appreciate everybody who has, just really just learned and grown with me, because you can see the difference. You can see the growth if you have been watching my videos for a while. Like I said, videos I made 4 years ago, 5 years ago, those jobs may be obsolete now. You know what I mean? So as I'm coming with the new, with the better, with the updated, go ahead, subscribe so that you can stay updated, okay? And make sure your notification bell is turned on, because when it comes to dropping the bangers and not wasting your time, baby Mari is here. All right? So if you haven't, like I said, if you haven't already, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and put your favorite color down below. My favorite color is purple, if you're not aware. Pretty sure everybody knows that by now, but if not, my favorite color is purple. Yeah. Until the next video, go watch my other, man, I just posted a short. That reminds me, you want to get any job that you want. Any job that you want. When I tell you, you want to work for Xbox, you want to work for PlayStation, you want to work for Progressive, you want to work for a work from home job, Alorica. I've made a video about that before. But you want to work for any of these companies, baby. Go look at my last short. Go look at my last video, and you will literally be able to see how easy it is to find the careers for any of these jobs. You can literally get a job any freaking where, as long as you know where to look. And I showed you exactly where to look. Go to that video. All right? See you there.